Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Simplypops here. This time unboxing all of the iPhone 17 Pro colors. So I have silver, I have the deep blue, and we have that beautiful cosmic orange. I seen this in the store today and it looks absolutely stunning. So I don't even know which one to even begin. We're going to start things off with my personal one, the silver one. I think I'm going to go with silver this year just because, well, I think any case is going to look nice with it. And it's a subtle cuddle, subtle cuddle. It's gonna be a subtle color, and it's gonna match my Apple Watch, my Apple products. Now, iPhone 17 Pro is getting a lot of hype this year, and once you see this brand new design, you know you have the new one. So, taking a look inside. Woo. All right, so 17 Pro. Oh, so you have that plateau. Apple calls this the plateau. So the new camera modules. You have your LiDAR, your flash, and your telephoto, your triple camera array. Now, if you guys, in case you guys missed it, I did unbox the 17 regular models earlier. So far, this color right here is my favorite, the stage, and I'm actually doing an update and putting some of my information on there. But focusing back on the silver 17 Pro, this looks absolutely incredible. And that aluminum feels nicer in the hand. Wow. Okay, it's a little chunkier too. But let's move on to the deep blue. And of course, you guys already know, inside the box, you're just getting the cable and nothing else. So nothing special there. But you're getting the phone. That's something special. But moving on to the deep blue, I just want to give a shout out to my Apple store, taking a time out with me. Just helping me through getting all these iPhones and stuff. It's not easy right now at the Apple store, so I wish you guys good luck. All right, so here's the blue. Okay. So this year, Apple didn't go with the black, which is a little disappointing considering that my 16 Pro is in. This is probably my favorite color. You can't go wrong with a black iPhone. I can tell you that. It just looks sleek and elegant. So now here we are with the deep blue. This is the darkest color option you can go with. And in certain lighting conditions, as you can see so far, let's just peel the sticker off. Certain lighting conditions, you can kind of see that in some shades and some angles, it might look black, but more than anything is navy. So here's the blue and here's the silver. I wish with the silver, this thing was kind of like all silver. It kind of looked like a tape on the back that you were supposed to peel. Let me know in the comments if you guys are liking this design. It's definitely growing on me. All right, so yeah, that's the deep blue. And time for the coupe de gras. We have the cosmic orange. So very small select color options for the Pro, which is a little kind of surprising. Maybe we might see something in March. And there we go, orange. Now, orange is making a big comeback. I mean, you have orange Bluetooth speakers from Sony. Then you have orange, like, little products and stuff. But, hey, this cosmic orange, it's nice to see a colorful Pro. And I know Car Comrade is rejoicing right now. And I know a lot of people wanted orange for the longest time. And we finally have it here. So, just shifting it around a little bit to get the different angles a little bit. Yeah, this is beautiful. Definitely a beautiful color. Yeah, so on the top there, you guys see this, and this is the antenna band. This is the antenna band for the ultra wideband for 5G. And fun fact, mostly all of the components is housed within the top portion of the phone, and the bottom portion is just all battery. So Apple re-engineered this iPhone from the ground up. We're gonna turn this on and just take a look at the sides on each phone and each device. You guys can see that this is just, it's nice and curvier, so it's going to feel nice in the hands, but also it just feels lighter thanks to that aluminum. And I'm happy that Apple went back to aluminum to help with the cooling of the iPhone and incorporate a vapor chamber. So, yeah, these are the colors for the Pro. Small, but I would say they all pretty good. It's not the strongest selection. I'm going to go with white or silver this year just for versatilitiness. The deep blue, but the deep blue and the orange is beautiful colors. And as you can see, side by side, they complement each other nicely. All right, so all these colors aside, getting ready to take these outside so I could showcase the colors even further in more detail as a channel tradition. I'm terrified to drop these. These look so beautiful and I'm afraid to drop them. But that is where Casetify steps in, the sponsor of today's video, put in their new iPhone 17 Pro cases to test. First up, we have the clear case. Now, one of my biggest issues with other clear cases, including Apple's case, they turn yellow after a while. So I made some coffee, poured it into a container, one with the official Apple clear case and the other one with Casetify's clear case. All right, getting a quick wipe down, washed them with water. And oh yeah, you could easily tell the difference between the two. Casetify solves that with the UV Defender technology. And even the design, arguably, I like the Casetify better. Now let's check out the glaze case. This one got a scratch resistant glossy back plate with an inner printed method. So this design here won't peel off or fade. You can also mix match the print and color background. And most importantly, it still handles 4.9 feet drops with military grade protection. And plus, MagSafe is still compatible. Look at that, it says my name right there. And this mirror MagSafe doubles as a kickstand. Yeah, this is nice. And last but not least, we have the bounce case, which is Casetify's most protective cases. And that is all thanks to the test lock design and expanded bounce corners, which is verified to survive up to 21.3 feet. That's 7-time military standard protection. And for added versatility, you can clip on accessories onto the bounce corners. And of course, you know, doing the MagSafe test, MagSafe is compatible here, works perfectly fine. Casetify's new iPhone 17 Pro cases are now available. Click the link in the description and grab yours today. Protect your iPhone 17 with style and peace of mind. And all right, guys, there you guys have it. That's the iPhone 17 Pro in all colors. If I have to rank this, I'm gonna be honest, I really do love the orange and all. Really between the orange and the silver is going to be my primary, but if I have to choose one, I'll go with the silver just for the versatilityness. The orange is a very, very, very close second. I think on a good day, I'll go with the orange, and on the silver, it'll probably be like my everyday kind of style. I think for the thumbnails and everything like that, and just to say that you have the new phone, you got to go with the orange, without a doubt. Even though this is entirely new and the back is brand spanking new, but the orange is probably the color to go with if you want that wow and new factor. But yeah, I don't know. I could go either way. But I think right now I'll go with the orange, silver, and then blue will be like my last pick. But or I could just do this. It really don't even matter to me at all. But I hope I help you guys decide which color to go with. Just doing one more kind of showcase right now real quick before I end out the video. I am running extremely late because I still got to unbox the iPhone Air. So yeah, I am going to work on the iPhone Air all colors unboxing right after this one. So make sure you guys get subscribed with notifications on. And of course, I'm going to be doing extensive testing, battery drain tests, charge tests. Yeah, you guys don't want to miss anything. So yeah, guys, until next time, peace.